in the verdant forests of Sitio Sicahoy, Bislig City, Sangay Falls offers a refreshing escape into nature's embrace. This lesser-known waterfall is a favorite local retreat, where the sound of rushing water and the laughter of children fill the air. While Sangay Falls isn't as widely known as the nearby Pinoyan Falls, it's a worthwhile detour for those looking to explore Bislig's quieter side. Access may require a short hike or motorcycle ride through the village paths, but the experience is well worth the effort. Sangay Falls is not as famous as Tinoyan Falls, but its untouched beauty and calm atmosphere make it a hidden paradise. The waterfall flows over naturally formed rock terraces, creating soft, shallow steps where visitors can climb, sit, or enjoy the soothing rush of water. The basin below is perfect for swimming or simply soaking in the refreshing, cool stream. Surrounded by dense tropical rainforest, the area offers a peaceful, secluded vibe away from the noise of the city. Large trees, thick vines, and lush greenery provide natural shade, making it a cool and comfortable spot even during warm days. If you're looking for a quiet place to unwind, cool off, and be one of nature, Sangay Falls is a perfect destination. It may be off the beaten path, but the experience of discovering this serene waterfall surrounded by jungle, water, and silence is truly priceless. Let Sangay Falls be your next stop in Bislig. Discover the beauty, experience the calm.